Namaste. I am Shrikant Kshirsagar. I facilitate yoga at the corporate. About 25 organizations I have worked with, and I found that stress is a very important concern for all of us, especially for the corporate audience. Now, how do we address this? A very simple technique in yoga is of Kapalbhati. Kapal means the forehead and Bhati means to shine, to cleanse the forehead. The forehead represents our Ajna chakra. The forehead represents our center of self-control and sense control. Kapalbhati can be done in a very gentle manner, in a very soft manner, without too much of a risk. And if you wish to know more about it, kindly go on our blog and visit our website www.yogasanjeevani.com or our blog Shrikant Kshirsagar, Shrikant Kshirsagar, KSHIRSAGAR.co.in. My mobile number is 9819 950 710. Thank you. Namaste.